Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 35. My name is Walter. We are still working with fraction word problem, and this is the second video. In fraction word problem, we need to read the question, understand, and you're supposed to know what you're supposed to do. Let's direct do this question here. 3 boxes weigh 18 2/3 kilograms, 16.5 kilograms, and 17 3/4 kilograms, respectively. If a porter carried all 3 boxes, what is the total mass carried by the porter? Here we have 3 weights of boxes in mixed fraction, and they need us to find the total mass. Direct, this is addition question. So we are going to add 18 2/3 kilogram plus 16.5 kilograms plus 17 3/4 kilograms. We will take whole numbers, we'll add them together, and fractions, we are going to add them together. We will take the whole number, we are going to add them together, and the fractions, we are going to add them together. That is going to be 18 plus 16 plus 17 plus the fraction part, which is 2/3 plus that will give us 18 plus 16 plus 17, we get 51. Then we are going to find the LCM of 3, 2, and 4. The LCM is 12. 12 divided by 3, we get 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 1, we get 6. 12 divided by 4, we got 3. 3 times 3, we get 9. 8 plus 6 plus 9, we get this 23 out of 12. But this is improper fraction. We are going to change it into mixed number, which will give us one whole number, 11 out of 12. We will take 51 whole number plus one whole number. We are going to get 52. And the fraction that we get here is 11/12. These are kilograms. Hope you understand this fraction word problem. For more lessons on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.